Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Fine. That's great. Dear students, we are now going to start course of English and the 6th unit. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Unit 6. Class discussion. Recite and discuss. See. In the class discussion, Jen, you hardly said a word. We all arrived our opinions, but from you we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jen, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? The poem is about a class that is having a discussion with their teacher. Jasmine is the poet of this poem. Jasmine of this poem writer. It teaches a great lesson to all. Everyone is busy discussing something or the other in the class. Now the teacher's attention goes towards Jan. She is girl who is very quiet during this discussion. The teacher tells her that while everyone was discussing and saying something or other, Jan was awfully quiet throughout. Okay, now then the teachers ask her the reason for her quietness, Shantapana. She asks her because among all the chatter means bug. Jen did not say anything and was just staring at everyone in silence. The teacher asked Jen to give a plain answer and very clear. See, please be plain. The teacher wants to know what is the matter with Jan. After that, Jan decided to answer her. Jan decided to answer her teacher. She looks up at the teacher and then speaks in a very clear and low voice. Jen looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. She tells her that the world is full of different types of people. सबसे अलग है इसकी दुनिया. There are some people who prefer to stay quiet. Quiet means sharp. She hints this towards her nature. Moreover, she gives a befitting reply to all. This way, she proves her point and also speaks on behalf of all people. See. Thus, this poem tells you about the different nature of children in a subtle manner. It is a nice way of telling that everyone is different in their own way. Okay? The poem tells us that we should not judge everyone on the same parameter. We must allow everyone to be in their own way. Zen raises voice for people that do not really like to talk at all times. We must not accept everyone be the same as all. Some can be quiet and some can be chatterboxes. There isn't any compulsion, so we must be more accepting of everyone and treat everyone in good manner. Okay, now poem conclusion. The poem is a great way of making people understand that there are different kinds of people and not everyone is alike. It throws light on the quiet people who do not prefer talking that much. So, dear student, are you understand? Very useful and very understanding. So, आप भी कभी कभी आपको भी अंदर ऐसी परिस्थितियां आपके सामने भी आई होगी, तो आप भी कभी कभी इस तरह से आपका नेचर होने से आप भी क्लास में कुछ नहीं बोल पाते होंगे। अदर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ठीक है ना, दूसरे डिस्कस करते हैं तो उससे ही काम चला लेते हैं, लेकिन क्लास में बोलना भी कभी कभी जरूरी होता है, जिससे आपकी इम्पोर्टेंस है, आपके अंदर जो छुपा है वो भी बाहर आ सकता है। ओके, आई होप अंडरस्टैंड। गुड, नाउ स्टार्ट न्यू वर्ड्स। डिस्कशन, talking together in a group on a single topic. Alright, say, make public, barely meaning only just. Stand, look fixedly with eyes wide open. Plain, clear. Now, start, let's read question and answer. What activity was going on in the class? Class discussion activity was going on in the class. Who was the quiet one in the class? Zen was the quiet one in the class. Why was she quiet? She was quiet by nature. Okay. Question number 4. How do you interact in class during discussions? Do you participate or remain quiet? I actively participate in class discussions. I don't like to be quiet. परिचर्चाओं के समय आप कक्षा में किसी तरह आपस में बात करते हैं। क्या आप हिस्सा लेते हैं या चुप रहते हैं? तो जो आपका आंसर हो, यस या नो, वो आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। ओके, दैट्स गुड। नाउ think and write. Choose 2 friends in your class who are very different from each other. Use the clues in the box to describe their nature. You may also add your own words to describe them. अपनी कक्षा में 2 दोस्तों को चुनना है और एक दूसरे के काफी चर्चा विचारना करते हैं। प्रयुक्त कर उनका स्वभाव का वर्णन करें। उनका वर्णन के सिलसिले में आप अपने शब्दों को जोड़ सकते हैं। ओके, naughty, lively, sharing, careless, studies, quiet, friendly, helpful, regular, cheerful. So, आप इस शब्दों का प्रयोग करके उससे आप अपने आंसर लिख सकते हैं। Now start with Shankar and Mani are two friends studying in my class. They sit together every day, but they are very different from each other. Shankar is naughty and careless, whereas Mani is friendly and careful. Shankar is very talkative and talks even in the presence of the teacher, but Mani is quiet and studies. He is also helpful by nature. He is very regular in his work. Okay? Good. Understand? Think and write activity. Now start. Let's talk. What is discussion? To discuss means to talk together or decide something. When you do this, you are taking part in a discussion. परिचर्चा का अर्थ है कि एक साथ बात करना या कुछ निर्णय लेना। जब आप यह करते हैं तो आप परिचर्चा में भाग ले रहे होते हैं। कोई भी क्लास में डिस्कशन चलता हो, उसमें भागीदारी लेना भी बहुत आवश्यक है। उससे भी आप कैसा निर्णय करते हैं वो भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण माना जाता है। Now read the sentence below. They tell us what happens in our discussion. In our discussion, each person gives his ideas one by one. Some tell why something should be done. Others may tell how. Participants ask questions and answer them. Many ideas are given. Everyone helps to decide which ideas are the best. Okay. Note the points you might discuss before planning a visit to the park. Choose a day and time. What things to bring to play. Assigned duties and things to eat. Look at the picture in the poem. Imagine and write what the discussion in the class is about. Now, second, fill in the grid given below by assigning qualities to each person. Some clues are given here to help you. Clues. Sangeeta lends her pencil to her partner. Nirav is also called a chatterbox. Pranav recently saved a cat from drowning in the lake. Megha is just the opposite of Nirav. Mithali always teases everyone. Ritu is always seen with a book in hand. So, Nirav is also called chatterbox. So, naughty. Pranav recently saved cat from drowning in the lake. So, genius. So, write the now tick. Mithali always teases everyone. Ritu is always seen with a book in hand. So, Ritu is the studies. Okay, right. स्टडीज, नोटिस, जो आपको लगता है उस क्लूज के आधार पे आप यहाँ पे टिक मार्क कर सकते हो. Okay, let's and read and do. Children who saw acceptance bravely are honored with the Bravery Award to recognize their presence of mind. In 1957, the Indian Council of Child Welfare started this National Bravery Awards. Brave children are awarded cash prize, free school education and certificate from the Prime Minister of India. They ride on an elephant in the Republic Day parade. Wow! Harsh Srivastava, a 12-year-old boy, and his 15-year-old sister rescued a child from the attack of a ringing bird. Yamuna Jayadisho 11 years old, jumped into flooded river and saved a 3-year-old from drowning. The act of bravery was recognized because he saved the life on an infant. Find one story of bravery about child. You can search for the story by talking to elder people or watching TV program or from a film. So, write down the story. Also mention its shorts. Narrate the story to the class. Which story did you like the best? Write down your reasons. Now, write a notice. A notice tells whom, when, where and what. The girls and boys of class we wrote notice for the bulletin board. Read Sila is notice discuss the question the follow. Who was the meet? When were they to meet? Where were they to meet? What were they do? Write a notice about library committee or a football match. Okay, my dear student, understand? Okay, thank you.